Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today continuing class 10th pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.4, elimination method, the other method, algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations. So in my previous session we discussed substitution method, right? So how to solve pair of linear equation using substitution method. Now we are moving to the other method, it is elimination method. Eliminate, the name itself, eliminate means removing. That means we have to remove any one of the variable, either it may be x or either y. Okay, so let's see how to do this method. So in this, let's move on to the first question. We have four sub questions in first question. Solve the pair of linear equations by the elimination method. Okay, the first sub question is x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay, here in elimination method, the first observation you have to do is to check their coefficients. As you all know, the coefficient means the number which is multiplied to the variable, either x or either y. Okay, so first let us check. Here if we consider the coefficient of x, if it is nothing is there, we will consider it as 1, right? So coefficient of x is 1, but here coefficient of x is 2. Here coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of y is minus 3. They are not equal. So the first step is we have to make the coefficient of x or y, any one. Okay, not both. Any one we have to make same. So how to make? By multiplying. So here we have to multiply the numbers. So let us observe here. Here you have 2x. Here you have x. So if you multiply by 2, it becomes 2x, right? So let us write. So here if I consider x plus y is equal to 5. So if you multiply by 2, 2 into x it is 2x plus 2 into y it is 2y. 2 into 5 it is 10. Yes, equation 1. We got equation 1. Observe. So to make it x variable similar, here I am not concentrating to y, only the x, because here you have x, directly if you multiply by 2 it becomes 2x. But or if you make it y similar, you have to multiply by minus 3. Okay, instead of doing that, what I am doing is I am multiplying 2 for equation 1. So 2 into x 2x, 2 into y 2y, 2 into 5 it is 10. So what is the second equation? 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is second equation. Now what we have to do here in elimination method, cancellation. Sometimes we'll do addition of two equations, or sometimes subtracting of two equations. When we will do addition and when we will do subtracting depends upon the sign. Here let us observe. Let us write one by one. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. In elimination method, you have to write like this, one below the other. And here, if you cancel any one of the variable, you want to cancel. Here, the elimination is nothing but you have to remove one of the variable. To remove the variable, the equation in the variable, the sign must be opposite sign. That means one should be plus, another should be minus. If it is like that only, we can cancel. If it is both are plus or both are minus, we cannot cancel. Okay, in elimination method, one should be plus, another should be minus. So here what we have to do, we have to change the sign for second equation. Sign means it is plus. Now if it is nothing, it is there, it is plus. Here also it is nothing, it is plus. Plus we have to change it as minus. So at that time what you have to write, it is subtracting. That means if you are changing sign, it is subtracting. Subtracting 1 and 2. You can write subtracting 1 and 2. So now what happens? Plus 2 minus 2. Here also minus. You have to consider whole equation, second equation, not first equation. Minus, plus, plus, minus. So here plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Plus 2y plus 3y. Plus 2y plus 3y it is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 it is 6. 10 minus 4 it is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. Y is equal to 6 by 5. And remember, here the variables need not be only whole number as you got in substitution method, 3, 2, 5, 6 like that. So it may be fractions also, 6 by 5. Now let's go on to the finding x value. Take any one equation. Take first equation only without any multiplying. Take that only, that is x plus y is equal to 5. So now let us substitute x plus 6 by 5, right? We got 6 by 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to, take plus 6y to the RHS, it becomes minus. So 5, it will be as it is, plus 6y becomes minus 6 by 5. So x is equal to, multiply, 5 5s are 25 minus 6 by 5. What about 25 minus 6? 25 minus 6, what will be the answer? 19. So 19 by 5. X value is 19 by 5. So here, what is our step? First, we have to observe the coefficient of x and y. If it is different, make them similar by multiplying the numbers, respective numbers, and observe the sign of two variables which are similar. If they are both having same sign, subtract it, change the sign for second equation and simplify it, and substitute the one value to the other, then you will get the other value. So here y is 6 by 5, x is 19 by 5. So this is about sub question 1 in question number. Sub question 2, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Observe carefully. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now if you observe this, if you want to make x coefficient same, here you have 3, here you have 2. And if by multiplying to any one equation, you cannot make it similar, because if you multiply any number, it doesn't become 3. Or if you multiply this, it doesn't become 2. So here, what is a common factor for 2 and 3? 6, right? So at that time, what you have to do? You have to multiply 2 for this equation. You have to multiply 3 for this equation. At that time, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Instead of that, let me check for y variable. So y coefficient. Let me check for y coefficient. Here you have plus 4. Here you have minus 2y. Don't think about sign. Only you check about the numbers, whether it is same numbers. Okay. Now it is 4. It is 2. Now if you multiply only 2 for this equation, 2 2s are 4, right? It becomes 4y. So instead of multiplying for both the equations, so you can multiply for any one. So that is one of the observation you have to do. Okay. So let's take first equation as it is. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Consider it as equation 1. Now what is second equation? 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4x, 2 2s are 4y, 2 2s are 4. So now you got 4y, 4y. Don't think about sign. After when you're solving, it is you have to check. So now you got 4y, 4y. So consider it as equation 2. Now solving this by elimination method. So let us write. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Observe this carefully, as we have to cancel this y, right? 4y, 4y. Our condition is there should be opposite sign. One must be plus, another must be minus. Yes, it's already there. So here you no need to change the sign as you did in sub question 1. So at that time, if you are not changing any sign, at that time what we are doing? Adding. So cancel it. Plus 4y, directly. Adding means you have to add. 3x plus 4x, 7x. 10 plus 4, 14. X is equal to 14 by 7. So what happens? X is equal to 7 1s are 2s are. X is equal to 2. You got the value of 2. X is equal to 2. Now substitute this 2 in any one of the equation. So let us take first equation. That is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So 3 into what is the next value? 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 2s are. 3 2s are, it is 6. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Okay, now let us take 6 that side. So 4y is equal to 10 plus 6 becomes minus 6. So 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, it is 4. Y is equal to 4 by 4, cancel. So finally y is equal to 1. So x is 2, y is 1. So here what you have to do, just only thing you have to do is observe the coefficient of x and y, make any one variable similar and simplify it. Whether they are having directly opposite sign, it is adding, directly you have to add. If they are having same sign, you have to change the sign for second equation. That means you have to subtract, and then simplifying you will get x and y value. Okay, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Clear? So let's move on to the sub question 3. Observe this, it is not in the equation. First let us consider this into an equation. It is very simple. First let us write 3x minus 5. Let us send minus 4 to the RHS. It becomes plus 4. So this is equation 1. Next, here let us take 2y to the LHS because it has to be like this. Ax plus by is equal to c. Now, the second equation is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. See here, only you are taking minus 2y. That means it is plus y. Come to the LHS, it is minus 2y is equal to 7. Consider it as equation 2. Now what we have to do? We have to simplify. First is we have to check the coefficient of x and y. So here if we consider coefficient of x, here 3, here x is 9. So make it coefficient of x is 9, you have to multiply by 3, right? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are, why ma'am 3 means 3 3s are 9. But you cannot, and if you check y also, you have 5 and you have 2. If you multiply any number, you will not get 5, or if you multiply any number, you will not get 2. That means which are the two common factors for 5 and 2? 10. So that means you have to multiply 2 for this, 5 2s are 10, and you have to multiply 5 for this, 5 2s are 10. So instead of multiplying for both the equations, just you multiply only one number for one equation. That means take first equation, that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. That means multiply by 3. So it becomes 9x. So this is second equation. So it is 9x. So minus 5 3s are, it is 15y is equal to 12. Observe carefully. 3 3s are 9x, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Consider it as equation 1. The other one, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Consider it as equation 2. Now 9x it is similar, so let us write one below the other. 9x minus 15y is equal to 12. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now what we have to do, we have to cancel, but you have both are plus, so plus plus, right? Plus 9x. What we have to do? Subtract. So we have to change the sign, minus plus minus. Okay, now plus 9x minus 9x cancel. This is how cancelling means eliminating. Now minus 15y plus 2y, minus 15y plus 2y, it is minus 13y is equal to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, it is 5. So y is equal to, it becomes minus 5 by 30. Consider this equation or this equation any one. So let us take this one only, that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. That is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, equation that is 1. Now what we are doing, we have to substitute y value. So let 3x be as it is, minus will be as it is. So 5, right? So here minus 5 will be as it is. So minus 5. So in place of y, it is minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. So minus into minus plus. So 3x plus 5 5s are 25. 25 by 13 is equal to 4. Now 3x will be as it is. Take plus 25 by 13 to the RHS. So 4 plus becomes minus 25 by 13. Minus 25 by 13. So 3x will be as it is. 13 4s are. 13 4s are, it is 52. Minus 25 by 13. So remaining 3x is equal to 52 minus 25. 52 minus 25 we will get 52 minus 25, 12 minus 5, it is 27 by 13. 27 by 13. But you want the value of x. X is equal to 27 by, if it is division, so if we come to the denominator, it is multiplied, so it is divided. So 13, so into 3. So 3 1s are, 3 9s are. So x is equal to 9 by 13. X is equal to 9 by 13. Observe carefully. 3x minus y is equal to 4. 3x will be as it is, minus will be as it is, 5 will be as it is. In place of y, we are substituting minus 5 by 13, which we got from elimination method. So after this, minus into minus plus, 5 5s are 25 by 13. Send plus 25, it becomes minus 25 by 13. Taking LCM, 13 4s are 52 minus 25 by 13. 52 minus 25, it is 27 by 13. So it is 3x. You want the value of x. So 27 into 3. 3 1s are, 3 9s are. So 9 by 13. So finally, x value is minus 5 by 13. Y value is 9 by 13. So this is about sub question 3 in question number 1. Question 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So now here how it is like fraction, right? X by 2, 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Here x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. As you all know, the general form of linear equation, it has to be like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? So we have to convert these equation in terms of ax plus by plus c. How to convert? By taking LCM. Here we have to take LCM. So observe, for 2 and 3, LCM for 2 and 3 it is 6, right? So let us write here taking LCM. What happens if you take LCM? For 2 and 3 it is LCM is 6. So 6. Here if you multiply 6 here, if you take LCM, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 into x, it is 3x. Plus here if you multiply 6 here, 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 2s are 4y is equal to minus 1. Then here if you cross multiply 6, what happens? So 3x plus 4y will be as it is. 6 into minus 1, it is minus 6. Now you got equation 1. Here also you have to do the same. 3 into x, here you can multiply 3 into x, it is 3x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now cross multiply, that means take 3 to the RHS. Here it is division, so if you take to the RHS, it is multiplication. So finally 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So this is equation 2. So here we are using elimination. As we are using elimination method, first thing we have to observe is the coefficient of x or y should be equal, right? So if you observe here it is 3x, here it is 3x. Yes, right? So both are equal now. So we can eliminate this x. So let us write. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. As it is both same sign, what we have to do? We have to change the sign. Changing sign means we have to do subtracting. So what happens? Minus plus minus. So that means if it is here it is plus, so we have changed to minus. It is minus plus. Here it is nothing sign, it means it is plus, right? So plus means we have changed to minus. So 3x cancel. Remember, when you're cancelling the same terms, their sign must be opposite. One should be plus and another should be minus. Then only you can cancel each other. Okay. If equation contains exactly plus and minus, then you no need to change the sign. Directly what you can write? Adding. Okay. Now plus 4. Here if it is nothing there we have to consider it as 1, right? Plus 4. Observe here. Plus 4 plus 1. It is 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9. Both are minus here. Both are minus means you have to add, but you have to keep minus sign. So it is minus 15. So y value you have to need. Y is equal to minus 15 by 5. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Y is equal to minus 3. Yes, you got the y value. Now substitute this minus 3 value in any one of the equation. Let us consider the first equation. What is our first equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Now let us substitute. So 3x be as it is, plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So now remaining 3x. So plus into minus, minus 4 3s are. It is 12 is equal to minus 6. Now send minus 12 to the RHS. So 3x is equal to minus 6. Here minus 12 becomes plus 12. So 3x is equal to 12 minus 6. It is 6. Minus 6 plus 12 means it's 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. So 3 1s are 2s are. So x is equal to 2. So here we got y is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 2. So these are all the 4 sub questions in question number 1. Okay, so if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Keep watching. Thank you.